How to be a bird in Brookhaven, like Bella says. Because I say that because I'm a friend of her. Anyways, let's teach you how to be a bird in Brookhaven. There's 4 ways. Number 1, how to a real flying bird. A swimming bird. Put on some wings if you want to. You don't need to put on wings. You don't need to put on wings. It's okay, but I just recommend to put on wings. Go to this corner in the fountain, but you can go to any, but I recommend this one. And then boom, you are a bird. You're a bird. But you can't go away from the fountain, because if you go away from the fountain, or you go too high away from the fountain, or go too far away from the fountain, then you lose the effect. See? Like that. Now, the second way is to be a horsey bird. First, get out a horsey. Sorry, I burped. Sorry, I'm so embarrassed. Type AFK or BRB. But type AFK or BRB, then go on the horse, and then boom, you're a bird. You can be a fairy now. Like Bella says. Now, the next way is the diving board bird. The next bird is the diving board bird. You can be small, you can press her, but press down 6, and then boom. Wait. So jump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's so weird. I got a wee. I am a spinning little bird. I'm a spinning little bird. Wee, this sweet. I went crazy. Next is a helicopter. Let's go. Next one is a helicopter bird. This only works with premium. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. And now you're a bird. Look, you're a bird. And now you can die. That's so scary. We're gonna go. And that's all the ways how to be a bird. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you, my bunnies, the next time. Goodbye. Love you, my bunnies. Mwah.